Welcome to Pipeline 2025. My name is Joe Bloomfield, and I am excited to introduce the next disruption to the circular saw market. Over the past year and a half, you've seen us completely revamp our 7 1/4 circ saw lineup. Last year, you saw all new segmented brushless motors, next generation high output electronics, FORGE batteries, and even superchargers to unlock the beast that is the M18 platform, outperforming higher voltage systems once and for all. This saw was derived completely from field feedback, where we kept getting continued organic demands in 3 key areas. The first, being able to leverage our inventory management and tracking solution for the first time on a circular saw. This is the very first one. Second, dust control. Whether you're in a small basement remodel or the largest mega job site or data center build that may require and mandate usage of it, this saw is going to allow you seamless integration of dust control into your workflow. And last but not least, a feature that I'm most passionate about, AUTOSTOP Advanced Kickback Protection. We've made significant investments in machine learning and AI over the past few years, which has allowed us to solve a really a big problem in the circular saw market that's plagued it since its creation, kickback. So our demos today dig deep and show you kickback live in action. We're gonna make it happen. We do not recommend this at home. What's gonna happen here is we've got this board supported on both sides, and it will bind and pinch that kerf line. So with that, we're gonna show it to you live in action. So when that kickback event is detected, the light will flash, the saw will power down. Happens in a fraction of a second, and this saw will have your back. This is the all-new M18 FUEL 7 1/4 circular saw with 1 key. It's gonna have an MSRP of $349, kit price right around $549, and it's gonna be a step up, or it's gonna be sold alongside our baseline version that came out last year. This is the 2835-20, 2835-21 HD, while the baseline version is the 2834 version 2 as well. Hey guys, this is our AUTOSTOP demo fixture, and similar to how you would brake your wheels in a car, it's gonna provide a braking moment on that blade, creating a kickback and binding event. 2 things I want you to keep in mind and keep focused on is going to be the trigger staying depressed and the blade stopping as well during that actuation. The kickback will happen, the light will turn on, and you'll be able to resume work upon your next trigger pull. So this is coming in Q1 of 2026, and excited to get you guys' hands on it. Stay tuned for more.